This is Chris, and you are watching the demonstration video of the interface between WindowBook's PostalWeb and Virtual Systems Midnight software. Let's get started. To access the interface, you go to the Orders screen from the dashboard, and then from the Quick Links drop-down menu, click on PostalWeb Import. That's going to show us a list of statements that have cleared Postal 1 and that PostalWeb has pushed into Midnight using Midnight's API. So we have this list of statements, and you'll also see that there's some flags. This flag will show if it is valid or not. In order to be valid, these three yellow columns need to match up with what is in Midnight, that being the job number, the customer name, and the postage affix. Because what's going to happen is it's going to push these into the job so the postage accounting can happen correctly. The client can be billed accurately for postage without further data entry, and a copy of the postage statement is available. So what I'm going to do now is go ahead and click Save and Close, which is going to complete the post, and this is going to post 12 statements to orders. And then to see the status of that, I'm going to open up one of the jobs. This is job number 36408, so we can see how that worked. Inside of this job screen in Midnight, we're looking at basically all of the things that happened on the job, from the data work, the data processing work, and the printing, the mailing services, the finishing. All of that is costed and kept inside of here for the final invoice, as is the postage. So the postage statement data has been posted here. It's $767, and you'll see that the details are those two rows of actual postage have been pushed into the system. So now we have a full accounting of the postage that has been matched up with the order, and it's ready to be reconciled. To reconcile the postage, there's a tool right here where we can actually receive payments or apply funds, and that would include applying funds for escrow. So we can actually pay this using what is sitting in escrow right there. And then also, once that is completed, we can generate an invoice that would go to the customer with a final accounting of not only the services, the postage advance, or what was taken out of the order, and that happens inside of the invoice that Midnight generates and can send out to a customer. Typically, this is done, by sending a PDF over to the customer, and I can see those specific details being also shown on the invoice with a total balance due, which at this point is 0 because we've used the escrow to pay for both the postage and the services. Okay, that completes our demonstration of the PostalWeb to Midnight demonstration video. Thank you for joining us.